Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to save memories on Instagram. So first, open the Instagram app. Once Instagram opens, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now at the top right, click on the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines. Now from here, look for archive and tap on it. So scroll down to how you use Instagram and look for archive. Now, inside the archive, make sure Story Archive is selected at the top. So here you have four options and make sure you select Stories Archive. Once you select that, you'll now see stories you posted in the past, arranged by date, by location. So these are the memories Instagram has saved for you. So to save a memory, open any story memory you want to keep. For example, I'm going to click on the calendar button and pick one from my old stories. So for example, this one. So to save this story or this memory, I'm just going to click on the three dots or the more button. So here you have four options. You have delete story, save photo, share as post, add paid label. So of course we're going to click on save photo and it will be automatically saved to your camera roll or to your photo gallery. Now, to save a video, go look for a video from your memories. So it's just the same. Go and click on the more button and tap on save video. And it will be saved to your camera roll just like the image. So you can repeat this for every important story memory you want to keep. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next one.